Here we have a DENSO 18,000 BTU portable air conditioner. It's 208, 230 volts, single phase. It's in really good condition, and we're going to fire it up for you and to show you that it does operate. So you turn the unit on, you can set your temperature control. It shows in Fahrenheit and Celsius. The unit includes two pieces of ductwork here. Here's your air filter. These slide out, lift them up. It does have a little dent on the front cover right here and some paint scuffs. Doesn't affect the operation of the unit whatsoever at all. Other than that, it's in really good condition. Has a 5-gallon condensate tank. Change the filters out on these. Includes the operating instruction manual.